Let's keep going.
Sir, are we really leaving? I have not had enough foods like pineapple buns, egg waffles, shrimp dumplings, shumai, and black tea with honeyed lemon. Sir, didn't you say we can trade in Forex from anywhere? Why don't we just stay in Hong Kong for a little longer? Ah!
Wow, I'm so impressed. You're a fast learner. But the Forex market has more advantages than that.
Really? Please tell me more, sir.
First, the Forex market is open for 24 hours a day. The Forex market is also known as the market on which the sun never sets. Basically, we can trade for 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday.
Wow! I can trade for 24 hours in a day?
Yes, unlike the stock market, the Forex market's trading hours do not overlap with business hours. Chinese traders are especially fortunate. When they wake up in the morning, the Forex markets in New Zealand, Australia, and Tokyo have already opened or are about to open. At midnight, they still have the option to trade in the U.S. session. The Australian, Asian, European, and American Forex markets usually open one after the other. This means that you can find the right Forex market to trade at any time on any business day. Second, no one can dominate the entire Forex market. In the stock market, some extremely wealthy people or organizations can influence a specific stock or even the entire market. However, no matter how rich you are, it is almost impossible to generate enough influence on the Forex market.
Wow, really?
Yes, over $5 trillion are traded in the Forex market per day. As such, no single entity can dominate the market. Okay, now let's go over what we've learned today. The advantages of Forex trading include 1. The market is open for 24 hours a day. 2. No one can dominate the Forex market. Well, I have a quiz for you. Here's the question. That is all we've learned today. In the next video, we'll go through the other advantages of the Forex market.